The art of propagating rare and unique plant varieties. Welcome to Plant Care, where we delve into the world of rare and unique plant varieties. In this video, we will unlock the secrets behind successful propagation techniques, explore the art of creating new plant varieties, and delve into the fascinating world of hybridization. Join us as we uncover the challenges and rewards of nurturing these unique plants in your own garden. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to grow your own collection of rare plants through propagation practices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our work in bringing you more plant care tips and tricks. Let's get started. Discover the secrets behind successful propagation techniques for rare plant species. Successfully propagating rare plant species involves mastering a combination of techniques and methods beyond the usual practices. One crucial aspect is understanding the specific needs of each plant variety to ensure successful growth and development. For example, some rare plants may require a specialized soil mix or unique environmental conditions to thrive. By tailoring propagation methods to the individual requirements of each plant species, you can significantly increase your success rate. In addition to customizing techniques, timing plays a critical role in the propagation process. Knowing the optimal time to propagate a particular rare plant species can make a significant difference in the outcome. Factors such as seasonal variations, growth cycles, and even lunar phases can influence the success of propagation attempts. By closely monitoring the plant's growth patterns and conducting thorough research, you can pinpoint the ideal window for propagation to maximize your chances of success. Another essential consideration in propagating rare plant species is the selection of appropriate propagation methods. While common techniques such as stem cuttings and seed propagation are widely used, some rare plants may respond better to alternative methods like layering or grafting. Experimenting with different propagation approaches can help you determine the most effective method for each specific plant species. Flexibility and a willingness to adapt your techniques based on the plant's response are key to achieving successful propagation results. Furthermore, establishing a nurturing environment for the propagated plants is crucial for their long-term growth and survival. Providing consistent care, including proper watering, fertilization, and monitoring for pests and diseases, is essential to ensure the health and vitality of the freshly propagated rare plant species. By creating a supportive environment that meets the plant's unique requirements, you can foster strong, resilient growth and enjoy the beauty of these distinctive plant varieties for years to come. Learn the step-by-step process to create new plant varieties through propagation methods. Creating new plant varieties through propagation methods is a fascinating journey that requires a structured, step-by-step approach. The process typically begins with selecting the parent plants carefully, considering factors such as genetic diversity, desired traits, and compatibility for successful cross-pollination. By choosing parent plants strategically, you can increase the likelihood of producing offspring with the desired characteristics, such as unique colors, sizes, or disease resistance. Once the parent plants are selected, the next step involves executing the cross-pollination process meticulously. This step requires delicacy and precision to transfer pollen from one plant to another accurately. Different plant species may have specific pollination requirements, such as timing, pollinator attraction methods, or pollen compatibility. Understanding these nuances and following the correct pollination techniques are crucial for achieving successful hybridization and creating new plant varieties with the desired traits. Following successful pollination, the seeds produced from the cross-pollinated parent plants must be collected and stored properly to maintain their viability. Proper seed handling techniques, such as drying, cleaning, and storing seeds in optimal conditions, are essential to preserve their genetic integrity and ensure successful germination. Seeds can be stored for extended periods if handled correctly, allowing for future experimentation and propagation opportunities. After the seeds are harvested and prepared, the final step in creating new plant varieties through propagation methods involves germinating the seeds and nurturing the seedlings to maturity. Providing the ideal growing conditions, including light, temperature, humidity, and nutrient levels, is crucial for healthy seedling development. By closely monitoring the growth progress and adapting care practices as needed, you can cultivate strong, vibrant plants from the cross-pollinated seeds, leading to the creation of unique and diverse plant varieties that embody the combined traits of the parent plants. Explore the fascinating world of hybridization and crossbreeding in plant propagation. Hybridization and crossbreeding play a significant role in the intricate world of plant propagation, offering a fascinating platform for creating novel plant varieties with unique traits. Through hybridization, plant breeders can combine the characteristics of different species or cultivars to develop new plants that exhibit desired traits, such as vibrant colors, improved disease resistance, or enhanced growth patterns. By carefully selecting parent plants with complementary traits, breeders can leverage the genetic diversity to produce offspring that surpass the original plants in terms of resilience and adaptability. One of the compelling aspects of hybridization is the ability to introduce genetic variability into plant populations, paving the way for evolutionary adaptation and diversification. Crossbreeding enables the incorporation of beneficial traits from distantly related plant species, expanding the genetic pool and enhancing the overall health and vigor of the resulting hybrids. This process of genetic recombination can lead to the development of plants that are better suited to withstand environmental challenges, thrive in specific growing conditions, or exhibit unique aesthetic qualities that captivate the imagination. The art of hybridization also underscores the importance of understanding plant genetics and breeding techniques to achieve successful outcomes. Plant breeders must possess a deep knowledge of species compatibility, genetic inheritance patterns, and breeding methodologies to navigate the complexities of hybridization effectively. Through meticulous planning, controlled pollination, and careful observation of plant offspring, breeders can steer the course of evolution and innovation, pushing the boundaries of botanical diversity and horticultural advancement. Moreover, hybridization in plant propagation highlights the collaborative nature of the natural world, where plants interact and cross-pollinate to create new and vibrant life forms. By harnessing the power of hybridization, plant enthusiasts and breeders can contribute to the preservation of biodiversity, the development of sustainable agricultural practices, and the continuous enrichment of our botanical heritage. The exploration of hybridization opens doors to endless possibilities, inviting us to delve deeper into the mesmerizing realms of plant diversity and genetic innovation. Unveil the challenges and rewards of nurturing unique plant varieties in your own garden. Nurturing unique plant varieties in your garden presents a multitude of challenges and rewards that cater to both novice and seasoned gardeners alike. One of the primary challenges lies in understanding the specific growing requirements of rare plants, which may demand a tailored approach to soil composition, watering schedules, and sunlight exposure. It is essential to conduct thorough research on the unique needs of each plant species to ensure optimal growth and development in your garden. Another challenge that arises when cultivating rare plant varieties is the potential susceptibility to pests, diseases, and environmental stressors. With limited availability and genetic diversity, unique plants may exhibit heightened sensitivity to external factors that could compromise their health and vitality. Gardeners must implement preventive measures such as regular monitoring, pest control strategies, and proper plant care routines to safeguard their prized specimens from potential threats. On the rewarding side, nurturing unique plant varieties in your garden offers a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction that comes from witnessing the growth and flourishing of rare botanical treasures. The ability to showcase uncommon plant species in your garden not only adds aesthetic appeal but also contributes to the conservation of biodiversity and the preservation of plant heritage. Each unique plant that thrives under your care serves as a living testament to your dedication and passion for botanical diversity. Moreover, the cultivation of rare plant varieties provides an enriching educational experience that allows gardeners to deepen their knowledge of plant biology, horticulture, and environmental stewardship. By immersing yourself in the world of unique plants, you gain valuable insights into the intricate interconnectedness of ecosystems, the importance of plant conservation, and the sheer resilience and beauty of nature's creations. As you tend to your garden filled with rare and exotic plants, you embark on a journey of discovery, learning, and appreciation for the wondrous diversity of the plant kingdom. Unlock the potential to grow your own collection of rare plants through propagation practices. Propagation practices offer a fascinating avenue for gardeners to expand their collection of rare plants and unlock the full potential of their gardening pursuits. One of the most common propagation methods is seed propagation, where gardeners collect and sow seeds from rare plant species to grow new plants. This method allows for a diverse range of genetic variation and offers a unique opportunity to observe the growth and development stages of plants from their very inception. Another popular propagation technique is vegetative propagation, which involves the asexual reproduction of plants through methods such as cuttings, layering, division, or grafting. This method is particularly advantageous for rare plants with desirable traits that gardeners wish to preserve and propagate. By successfully propagating plants through vegetative means, gardeners can ensure the continuity of unique genetic characteristics and traits across successive generations of plants in their collection. In addition to traditional propagation methods, modern techniques such as tissue culture offer innovative approaches to mass-producing rare plants with precision and efficiency. Tissue culture involves growing plant cells in a controlled environment to produce genetically identical offspring. This method is particularly useful for conserving endangered plant species, producing disease-free plant material, and rapidly multiplying rare plants with limited seed availability. Furthermore, engaging in propagation practices not only allows gardeners to grow their collection of rare plants but also fosters a deeper connection with the plant kingdom and a newfound appreciation for the intricacies of plant reproduction. The hands-on experience of propagating rare plants provides valuable insights into the life cycle of plants, the principles of genetics, and the remarkable adaptability of botanical species. Through propagation, gardeners can witness firsthand the wonders of plant propagation and play an active role in preserving and proliferating the diversity of rare and unique plant varieties. The art of propagating rare and unique plant varieties. If you want to dive deeper into the world of rare and unique plants, make sure to explore our other videos on plant care. Join our community to discover more secrets of successful propagation, hybridization techniques, and rewarding plant nurturing experiences. Subscribe now to grow your knowledge and support us in sharing valuable plant care tips. Thank you for watching.